Hello YouTubers, this is going to be a fire alarm demonstration test in the dark here. As you can see, I am going to use the SIGA pull station, and my horn speaker strobe light piece is the same, the wheelock MT Multitone horn strobe. Another thing before I start the test, please turn down the volume on your computers, because I have this on continuous horn, and it's basically one of the loudest ones there is on the thing. So that's what I would recommend. Turn down the volume on your computers before you play this video. I will turn off this flashlight here as soon as I start the test. The reason why I have a flashlight on right here is so I can see what I'm doing when like pulling out the lever on the SIGA. I'll turn the flashlight off as soon as I start the test. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, go. Oopsies. I just knocked my pull station over. Sorry about that. Here's a test right now. Here it goes. I gotta see if this works. Okay, and that was my fire alarm test in the dark. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed the video. And please do not forget to rate and comment. Bye-bye.